The forum today was hosted by the Oklahoma Substance Abuse Services Alliance. That's a group of private providers in local communities providing mental health and substance abuse services. They came together because they thought it was so important to educate policymakers, specifically legislators at the Capitol, about what these services mean in their local community.
I would walk up to people and people would, you'd run into parents, especially parents that you raised your children with. They know your kids, you know their kids, and you always ask, how are your kids? Well, people quit asking about my son. And I was not going to stand for that. If my son had cancer, it would have been the first thing they said to me. And they would have brought me a casserole. But that didn't happen because my son suffered from a brain disease. And people don't want to talk about it. And I wasn't going to stand for that.
What people heard today is that mental illness and addiction looks like me, it looks like you, it looks like our friends, it looks like our family. We were honored to have Ted Struley and Kelly Dyer Fry share their own stories of the struggles that their children have had, either with mental illness and addiction, and what happens when treatment isn't readily available at the first signs and symptoms of this disease. One of the things I think Oklahoma can be really proud of is that we have one of the best treatment systems in the United States. We're ranked in the top 6. The struggle that our current legislature has inherited is because of decades of underfunding. We're unfortunately funded 46 per capita, which means only 1 out of every 3 people who need help can get in the door to get that help. If we could address that issue, if we could make services readily available, we would see significant decreases in incarceration, foster care, school dropouts, unemployment, families breaking up. This really is a key public health issue. The only thing that's going to be a struggle is this year is going to be a very difficult budget year, but it was clear for many people this is the biggest priority issue.